Replika review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Replika. So let's get into it. Now Replika is basically an AI companion that you can create for free, and you can chat to it for free as well, but there is a pricing plan, but we'll get into that later. And you can click the link in the description below for the website, and along with that you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. So let's get into it. So first things first, you want to click on create Replika, right? Once you created it, it's going to tell you to go ahead and sign up, and you can sign up with your own name, your email, whatever. And once you've signed up, it'll tell you to go ahead and create your replica. It'll give you some options that you can choose. So here you can see I've chosen this avatar right here, gave it a name as well. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Then it'll tell you to go ahead and add the card, but I don't want to do that. I'll click on this cross and I'll get started. So this is how it looks like. So here you will have your avatar. So here you can go ahead and get started and chatting. These are all the activities, the memory, the diary, the profile room, whatever. And this is the replica over here. Although it looks quite different. This is not the one that I had, but you can go ahead and select the other option as well. And again, also forgot to mention that it is also available on your Android phone, on your Windows and iOS as well, so you can go ahead and get started with that. You can go ahead and get started over here, chat with them, and you should be good to go. It's pretty cool. And over here, and these are the terms and conditions as well, so you can go ahead and get started with that. And if you want to go ahead and purchase it, this is how much it'll cost you. So there you go. So pretty cool, but yeah, this is how you do it. So it's as simple as that. So pretty cool, right? So make sure you check the link in the description below for the website, along with some promo codes that you can apply. So then you can just simply start chatting with it and you are good to go. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.